This is how you put your trigger group to the barrel. Gonna line up here to your pin, and you push it in. The accelerator works like this here. Slide it back in. You gotta have your forks in line. Line it up, push it in. You put the barrel in the gun. If the barrel doesn't go in all the way, you just gotta lift it up in the shroud here. Push it all the way into the stop. Push your stop in, see? Till it clicks in the hole. It's locked in. Then your bolt can go in. Forward. Slide that right in. Till about there. Line up your hole, your charging handle to this hole. Once it's in, push it in all the way. You're set. Handle goes on. Charge it. There's no spring, so what you got to do, release your spring right on this little pin here. Pull the bolt back, counterclockwise. Now it's charged. That's it. Now to load it, I won't charge it, but these are live rounds. Set them in. You lift your extractor all the way to the top. Your belt, double end, female end. The male end, female always goes in first. Send them in the battle first. Lock it down. Charge it. Set to go. Remember, when you're always done shooting, you always have a live round. Clear it. Good to go. Tannerite.